With the rise of the green economy, there is now more pressure on our farmers, not just here in Australia, but right around the world. And one of the richest men in the world is leading the charge for change, Bill Gates. The billionaire has supported and funded initiatives related to genetically modified crops, gene editing and alternative meat technologies right across the globe. The Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation has funded agricultural research initiatives that involve biotechnology and genetically improved crops as part of efforts to boost food security and smallholder farmer productivity in developing countries, they say. These efforts are typically framed by the foundation as addressing hunger, resilience to climate stress and nutritional deficiencies rather than as commercial GMO deployment in wealthy markets. Bill Gates has personally invested in several companies in the alternative meat industry. Gates invested in one of the early companies who developed cultured or lab-grown meat, where meat is grown from animal cells in a lab instead of from livestock. Gates has invested in this company as part of supporting alternatives to conventional meat production. Many of these projects are also developed under the guise of reducing emissions. However, this does raise concerns about corporate power and food ownership. Large foundations can shape research priorities, policy agendas and agricultural models. Even well-intentioned philanthropy can override local knowledge and democratic choice. Plant-based meats are heavily processed and long-term health effects of high consumption are unknown. Critics say calling these products green distracts from whole food solutions. The Australian agriculture industry is worth close to $100 billion and many farmers have slippery slope concerns. Today it's voluntary adoption, tomorrow they suffer economic pressure and eventually there will be a lack of alternatives, so they will be forced to either adopt or shut up shop. There is no one single policy that they fear, but cumulative pressure leading to reduced choice. What do you think? Are GMO crops and meat alternatives a good thing, or are they harming our farmers who are crucial to our nation's economy?